Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on a Motorola Moto E22 phone. If the screen is locked and you do not have the PIN code, we can bypass that PIN code and actually delete it. It's also going to wipe everything else off the phone, but if that's what you want to do, that's okay, and it's very easy. And we're going to start right now. You're just going to start with the phone off. You're going to press and hold the power and the volume up buttons, and just hold them simultaneously until you see the Motorola logo appear on the screen. And it's going to load up with a screen that looks like this, with that start option. And then using the volume buttons, you're going to toggle through that start option menu until you get to recovery mode. And once you get to the recovery mode option highlighted, you're going to hit the power button to select. You'll wait a minute, it'll go through a little cycle, and then it will pop up with a no command screen and a little robot on the screen. And from there, you're just going to, again, tap the power volume up buttons, but you're not going to hold it this time. You'll just hit the power button and then tap the volume up button simultaneously. And that will open you up into this recovery mode. And then from there, we'll use the volume to toggle down to the wipe data factory reset and hit the power button to select it. And then from there, it will take us to this screen. We'll toggle down to factory data reset, and we will hit the power button to confirm it, keeping in mind that once I hit the power button here, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off of the phone. And once it goes through its wiping process, then I can just select to reboot the system, and the phone will turn off and turn back on like it originally did when it came out of the box.